Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do a vlog style hair tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I got these really gorgeous Kim K Inspired Waves. Kim has been wearing her hair in these really pretty waves for a while and I love them. I feel like I mastered the look, so I'm going to show you guys how I get them. These are the final results, but if you guys want to see how to get the look, just keep on watching. Hi guys, I'm finally filming the hair tutorial that I promised you guys. I've never filmed in my bathroom, so I hope it looks okay. I just wanted to do it like super casual and talk to you guys while I film the video. So my hair is currently straight. I washed it like 2 days ago, and I love this hairstyle because you can do it like day one when you wash your hair, but I feel like for me it looks a little prettier like after I've had like a day or two with my hair. That way like the curl really stays put much longer, even though with the wand that I'm using the curls will last me forever. I'm just gonna use this spray. This is the Bumble and Bumble dry oil finishing spray, and I just like to use it because it adds a ton of shine to my hair and it's also very protective against the heat. Now we're just gonna separate the hair into sections. I like to work my way up from the bottom, so I'm just gonna start doing this. By the way, I'm gonna link everything that I'm using in the bottom bar, like this brush as well, because it's actually my favorite brush ever. So now these two sections we're also gonna split into half. I'm gonna be curling sections about this thick. Now that I have the hair sectioned off, the wand that I'm gonna be using is my Numi wand. I forget which one this is exactly, but I will link it below for you guys. And the trick to the curls is how you hold the wand. So the wand I'm gonna be holding vertically. And I'm gonna go behind my ear and I will start wrapping my hair around the wand. I wrap the hair away from my face towards the wand, but we're gonna be switching that up. And as you can see, the ends of my hair, I'm not gonna be curling that part. So you only wanna curl like the body of your hair, and then the very end, I just hold, because that's what's gonna give us that Kim K look. This wand is pretty hot. You don't need to leave the hair on it for too long, just like a few seconds. And then when I let it go, I kind of like do this scrunching motion, and be careful because the hair will be very hot. And this is what you get. And then you just throw the hair back. Now the next section, and this is also very important, I'm gonna split this into another two. So the next section, you know how the first one we wrapped our hair away from the ear? This time we're gonna wrap it towards our ear, so the opposite direction. That's the trick to this hair look, also to making it look like very like effortless and tousled, is you want to change up the direction of your curls. And again, I'm only curling the body of my hair, and the very end we're not going to be curling. All right, so now this piece we are going to wrap away from our face. So it's basically the same steps over and over again. It's super repetitive, but as long as you remember to switch up the direction of your curls and not to curl the very end of your hair, you pretty much have this tutorial down packed. Also, don't forget to hold your curling wand vertically like this instead of horizontally, which would be this way. And that's how our curls should be looking. And then I just throw it to the back and forget about it. I will be speeding through some sections because again, it's just a super repetitive hair tutorial. There's nothing much to it except how you hold the wand and changing up the direction of your curls. All right, now we are gonna work our way up. I'm just taking out some more hair. And I don't do the sectioning very neat at all. I just kind of just section off whatever I think I can handle. Now when it comes to the front pieces, like the very front ones, I like to curl those away from my face. So no matter what direction the curl before this piece is, I always like to curl the very front pieces closest to my hair. Those are always going to be curls away from my face. I just feel like the hair ends up looking a little bit better instead of curling the very front one like towards your face. All right, we're almost done, guys. This next part, I kind of just section off the back by itself. And we're gonna do the very front piece at the end. Are finally at the end of our look. I'm just going to separate the front piece in the middle because that's where I want to do my part, but feel free to part your hair wherever you'd like. If you want to part it to the side, I'm just a middle part kind of girl, you know. And remember, like I said, I like the front pieces to be curled away from my hair, so that's what I'm doing here. Sometimes I'll do my hair before my makeup, so what I'll do is, like, I won't brush the hair out. I'll just leave it like this, do my makeup, and then by the time it's cooled down, I'll come and I'll brush my hair out. But if you are in a rush or you just already have your makeup done and you're ready to go, then you can brush your hair out now. What I like to do first, though, before brushing it out is apply my texture spray. Love texture spray. A lot of times I'll use texture spray instead of hairspray because it gives you volume, and I feel like it kind of gives it that texture so it stays in place anyways. We're just gonna spray our texture spray all over. All right, so this is how the hair looks. If it's a little bit too curled for your liking, just take your brush and brush out those pretty waves, and look how pretty the ends look. Like, it's not like super curled. I love how the ends are straight, but because you curl the hair in opposite direction, it just gives it this pretty look instead of it all like falling in the same direction. This last step is not necessary, but I like to spray my memory mist spray. This is from The Way, and it's supposed to just memorize the way your hair is at the moment, so the next day it'll probably look the same or similar. I don't know if it's 100% like works, but I will say that my hair will look just as pretty tomorrow, and I will not have to curl it again. Like, I won't even have to fix any pieces. So this is how the hair looks. I'm gonna take you guys to some better lighting and give you guys another look at the hair. This is the final look, and as the day goes on and the curls fall even a little bit more, the hair starts to look even prettier. I love this look. Again, this is my Kim Kardashian Inspired Waves tutorial. I honestly feel like I have mastered the look, and this is a kind of hairstyle that looks even better the next day. So it's like you wear it today, but then tomorrow it still looks really pretty. So this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. I hope you found it easy to follow along. I promise you, once you master the steps, you're good to go and you're gonna be a pro at doing these Kim K waves. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.